Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads or AdWords, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download a Google Ads billing statement? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need a Google Ads billing statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes your bookkeeper is going to ask for billing statements for various costs. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download a Google Ads statement, here on the left side, you're going to click on billing, which is kind of like a little credit card icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here on document. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the most recent statements. So you can go ahead and scroll through until you see the billing statement you want to download. So for example, this one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to click on this blue download button. Okay, once you do that, your billing statement is going to go ahead and download. It's going to show your Google Ads account number, also the starting balance, new activity, and total payments received. And if you scroll down a little bit further to the next page, okay, so here it's showing all of the charges and any kind of credits for that billing period. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your Google Ads billing statement, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.